In this guide, I'll show you how to reset your Windows 11 computer without losing any of your data or files. So the very first thing we need to do is head over to our desktop, and we're going to press the Windows key to bring up the start menu, and we need to search for settings. Then come over to the settings tab, and from the left hand side here, we need to come inside of system, scroll all the way down to recovery, and then we're going to go ahead and press reset this PC. And now you'll see here we have two options. We can either keep my files, and that's basically going to keep any of your files and folders that are saved in your user folder. So all of your personal files and photos will be kept, but any third-party applications or software will be removed from the computer. And then we have this second option here, which is remove everything. And this is obviously going to remove everything from your computer. So it would be like getting a new clean installation of Windows, just like when you first bought the computer. So we're going to go ahead and use keep my files option. And we're going to select this option here of local reinstall. And as you can see here, this will reinstall Windows from this device, and it will also restore all of your apps and settings to their default settings. So we can go ahead and press next. And then as you can see here, this will keep all of your personal files, but it will remove any third-party applications and programs that you do have installed. So the nice thing here is it will keep the folders app data and local app data, and this is where all of your saved game files will be stored. So even though all the third-party applications and games will be removed from your computer, it will keep all of your saved data, so when you reinstall your games, all of your saved data will still be there, which is definitely worth noting. And then we can click this button here where it says view apps that will be removed, and you can see all of these third-party applications that will be removed from my computer. So you will need to reinstall any of these if you did actually want them on your PC. So then we can go ahead and click back, and then we're just going to go ahead and press this reset button. But that's basically how you reset your Windows 11 computer without losing any of your data or files. Now, if you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.